Hello friends, now in this video we will learn derivative of logarithmic function. I will explain all the solved examples and all examples from exercise 3.3. नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मित्रो, या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ दी लॉगरिथमिक फंक्शन आपण बघणार आहोत. ते कसे फाइंड आउट करायचे, सर्व सॉल्व्ड एक्झाम्पल्स आणि एक्सरसाइज 3.3 मधले सर्व एक्झाम्पल मी या व्हिडिओमध्ये सोप्या भाषेत एक्सप्लेन करणार आहे. परंतु त्यापूर्वी बिफोर दॅट इफ यू क्लिक दी आय बटन then you will get all the videos of this 12th standard commerce mathematics. Okay, now let us start. Derivative of logarithmic function. Sometimes we have to differentiate a function involving complicated expression like f of x into g of x, f of x upon g of x and f of x raised to g of x. या टाइपचे कॉम्प्लिकेटेड फंक्शन्स असतात. ओके, दॅट इज अ फंक्शन इंटू फंक्शन, दोन फंक्शनचा कोशंट and function raised to function. In this case, we transfer the expression to a logarithmic form and then find its a derivative. दोन्ही बाजूला जर आपण लॉग घेतला तर त्या टाइपच्या फंक्शनचे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढणं अतिशय आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी काय जातं तर ते सोपं जात असतं. ओके, hence this the method is called the logarithmic differentiation आणि म्हणून त्याला आपण logarithmic differentiation असं म्हणत असतो. Okay, now that is we find out the ddx of log of y. Log of y चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय, तर 1 upon y into y चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह dy by dx. Okay, in this way. Example of logarithmic function या टाइप मध्ये y is equals to 6x plus 5 bracket raised to 5 upon in bracket 3x square minus 1 into in root of 8 plus 2x या टाइपचे कॉम्प्लिकेटेड एक्सप्रेशन त्या ठिकाणी असू शकते. And again y is equals to here in bracket e raised to x plus 1 bracket raised to x into x plus 1 bracket raised to x plus 2. ओके, या टाइपच्या फंक्शनचे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह्स काढणं अतिशय कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होतं आणि म्हणून we apply here the take the log on both sides and then differentiate. Now note some basic laws of logarithms. First is log of m into n to the base a, and that's equals to log of m to the base a plus log of n to the base a. Log of m upon n is equals to log of m to the base a minus log of n to the base a. Log of m raised to n to the base a is equals to n times log of m to the base a. Okay, and here we have the again one more rule, that is a log of m to the base n. We can change the base like this, log of m to the base a upon log of n to the base a. ही logची rules आहेत. Okay, next is a log of e to the base e, so value is 1. Also log of e to the base e is also 1 where e is a positive rational number. Okay, हे rules तुम्हाला माहिती पाहिजे. Okay, now the log of a raised to x to the base a, and that is equals to x. Okay, now the solved examples. Find dy by dx if y is equals to 3 plus x raised to x. Let y is equals to 3 plus x bracket raised to x. Taking log on both sides, then you will get log of y is equals to log of 3 plus x bracket raised to x. Therefore, log of y is equals to x into log of 3 plus x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, then you will get the derivative of log of y. Yeah, log of y, so that the derivative is 1 upon y into dy by dx, and that's equals to, now the derivative on right hand side, x into log of 3 plus x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, derivative of log of y is 1 upon y into dy by dx. Now here we will apply the product rule. First keep x as it is, log of 3 plus x चा derivative 1 upon 3 plus x into ddx of 3 plus x. 3 चा derivative 0 आणि x चा किती तर 1. Therefore we will keep it in as it is here, plus आता log of 3 plus x हा as it is ठेवणार and derivative of x is 1. Okay, next the here we again one more step that is a x into in bracket 1 upon 3 plus x, here bracket complete, okay, plus log of 3 plus x, okay. Next इथे y हा डिवाइडेड आहे, इकडे आल्यावर कसा नडतो तो मल्टिप्लाय होणार, therefore dy by dx is equals to y in bracket x into in bracket 1 upon 3 plus x plus log of 3 plus x, and hence substitute the value of y. Now y ची value काय, that is y is equals to 3 plus x bracket raised to x, and hence this is the dy by dx. Now the next example, find dy by dx if y is equals to x raised to x. Taking log on both sides, then you will get log of y is equals to log of x raised to x. That is here x raised to x into log of x. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x, then you will get what's the derivative of log of y is 1 upon y into dy by dx. At x raised to x, keep it as it is. First of all, derivative of log of x is 1 upon x. Next, log of x, and then differentiate the x raised to x. आता x raised to x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह जर फाइंड आउट करायचा असेल तर आपल्याला अगेन हियर वी विल राइट अगेन वन मोर स्टेप बघा इथे dy by dx हा डिवाइडेड इकडे y आहे तो इकडे आल्यानंतर कसं झाला मल्टिप्लाइड झाला. नेक्स्ट टर्म ऍज इट इज आपण इथे घेतलेला आहे, दॅट इज x raised to x into 1 upon x plus log of x into ddx of x raised to x. आता x raised to x साठी आपल्याला सेपरेट इथे लॉगरिथमिक फंक्शन इथे अप्लाय करावं लागणार आहे. That is taking log on both sides. Then what you will get? Log of u is equals to again x into log of x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Then you will get what's the derivative of log of u? 1 upon u into du by dx. आता इथे product rule आपण apply करणार. Keep first x as it is. Derivative of log of x is 1 upon x plus log of x into derivative of x is 1. Okay. Now here x into 1 upon x get cancelled. That is in bracket you will get 1 plus log of x. हा 1 upon u इथे divided आहे, तो इकडे आल्यानंतर काय होणार तर ते multiplied होणार. Therefore du by dx is equals to x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x. This is your du by dx. Now substitute the value of this du by dx in this expression. इथे आपण ती value substitute करणार. Then what you will get? That is dy by dx is equals to y into in bracket x raised to x into 1 upon x plus log of x into the derivative of ddx of x raised to x. Okay. मग तो x raised to x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह किती आला तर x raised to x into in bracket 1 plus log x या प्रकारे. And hence dy by dx is equals to x raised to x into x raised to x bracket complete. Okay. 1 upon x plus log of x into 1 plus log x. आता या ठिकाणी काय केलंय की x raised to x आणि हा x raised to x आपण काय केला तर तो कॉमन घेतला and substitute the value of y. y म्हणजे काय, that y is equals to x raised to x in this way. Okay. Now the next example, find dy by dx if y is equals to in root of 2 plus 3 bracket raised to 5 upon 3x minus 1 bracket raised to 3 into 5x minus 2. या टाइपचे कॉम्प्लिकेटेड फंक्शन्स असल्यानंतर we cannot find out its derivative directly. Therefore, we take the log on both sides. त्याआधी आपण असे कसं लिहिणार, that y is equals to 2x plus 3 bracket raised to 5 upon 3x minus 1 bracket raised to 3 into 5x minus 2 bracket raised to 1 upon 2. Take log on both sides, then you will get log of y is equals to हा 1 upon 2 पुढे आला in bracket log of 2x plus 3 bracket raised to 5 upon 3x minus 1 bracket raised to 3 into 5x minus 2. Okay. Then log of y is equals to 1 upon 2. 5 times log of 2x plus 3 minus 3 times log of 3x minus 1 minus log of 5x minus 2. Okay. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. What is the derivative of log of y? 1 upon y into dy by dx. That is equals to 1 upon 2. What is the derivative of log of 2x plus 3? That is 1 upon 2x plus 3 into derivative of 2x plus 3. What is the derivative of 2x plus 3? Is derivative of 2x किती आला तर 2 आला. 3 चा derivative 0. आणि म्हणून इथे त्याचा derivative आपण इथे लिहिला 2. Next, the derivative of log of 3x minus 1. It is again 1 upon 3x minus 1 into derivative of 3x minus 1. 1 चा derivative 0 आणि 3x चा किती आला तर 3. Okay. Next, derivative of log of 5x minus 2. It is again 1 upon 5x minus 2. Derivative of 5x is 5. Derivative of 2 is 0. Okay. या प्रकारे. Next इथे 1 upon 2 आहे. Therefore dy by dx is equals to 1 upon 2 into y in bracket 10. 5 into 2 10 upon 2x plus 3 minus 3 into 3 9 upon 3x minus 1 minus 5 upon 2x minus 2 in this way. Next, substitute the value of y. What is y? Y is equals to in root of 2x plus 3 bracket is to 5 upon 2x minus 1 bracket is to 3 into 5x minus 2 into this whole bracket as it is. Okay. Now the next example. Find dy by dx if y is equals to x raised to x plus log of x bracket raised to x. Okay. Let y is equals to x raised to x plus log of x. तर या ठिकाणी आपल्याला सेपरेट u आणि v अशा दोन टर्म्स इथे कन्सिडर करावे लागणार आहे. u is equals to x raised to x and v is equals to log of x raised to x. Then you will get y is equals to u plus v. Differentiate both sides with respect to x and then you will get. Okay. dy by dx is equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. Okay. This is expression 1. Now u is equals to x raised to x. Taking logarithm of the both sides, then you will get log of u is equals to x into log x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, then you will get 1 upon u into du by dx. इथे product rule apply करना. X as it is, derivative of log of x is 1 upon x plus log of x into derivative of x is 1. Okay. आता इथे x into 1 upon x याची व्हॅल्यू किती आली? It is 1. Okay. 1 plus there is a log of x. Okay. हा 1 upon u आहे. तो इकडे अंतर याला कसं होणार? तर मल्टिप्लाइड होणार. Therefore du by dx is equals to u in bracket 1 plus log x. Then substitute the value of u. What is u? X raised to x. And this is the expression number 2. Okay. Now the next. V is equals to log of x whole bracket raised to x. Taking log on both sides. Then log of v is equals to x into log of log x. Now again differentiating both sides with respect to x. We'll get 1 upon v dv by dx. X as it is. Log of log x a derivative. Okay. What's the derivative of log x? First is, yeah, this way, keep x as it is. ddx of log of log x. Okay, this bracket is completed. Next, keep log of log x as it is. म्हणजे काय? That is log of log x into derivative of x is 1. What is the derivative of log x? It is a 1 upon log x into derivative of this log x, which is the 1 upon x in this way. Okay. याचा पहिल्यांदा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढताना किती येणार? तर तो first is 1 upon log x into ddx of this is the log x, and therefore it is a derivative of log of x is a x into log of x this way. Okay. Therefore 1 upon v into dv by dx. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x into log x. Ha x as it is. आणि नेक्स्ट स्टेपला काय, तर log x हा ॲज इट इज ठेवणार, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ x इज 1. ओके, आणि नॉर्मल हे सिम्प्लिफिकेशन आहे. इथला x काय होणार, तर तो कट होणार. देन यू विल गेट 1 अपॉन log x हियर, या स्टेपला 1 अपॉन here is a log x plus log of log x. ओके, हा डिवायडेड, हा 1 अपॉन v या बाजूला नंतर तो मल्टिप्लाइड होणार या ब्रॅकेटला. therefore dv by dx is equals to v in bracket 1 upon log x plus log of log x. Okay, resubstitute the value of v, that is the log of x bracket raised to x. In this way we will get here dv by dx म्हणजे काय, the log of x bracket raised to x in bracket 1 upon log x plus log of log x. This is the expression number 3. Now substitute the values of 2 and 3 in equation 1. Therefore dy by dx is equals to x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x plus log of x bracket raised to x in bracket 1 upon log x plus log of log x, and this is your dy by dx. Okay, okay, पुन्हा एकदा तुम्ही बघू शकता इथे. Okay, now we'll start the exercise 3.3. First question, find dy by dx if y is equals to x raised to x raised to 2x, y is equals to x raised to x raised to 2x. Take log on both sides, then you will get log of y is equals to log of x raised to 2x. That is, you will get x raised to 2x into log of x. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, then you will get, what is the derivative of log of y is 1 upon y into dy by dx. That is equals to ddx of x raised to 2x into log x. याचा derivative find out करणार. Here we will apply the product rule. Keep first upon x raised to 2x as it is, ddx of log x plus log of x ddx of x raised to 2x. Now what is the derivative of log of x is 1 upon x plus, that is x raised to 2x as it is into 1 upon x plus log of x into ddx of x raised to 2x. The derivative of x raised to 2x हा find out करण्यासाठी separate पुन्हा आपल्याला log घ्यावा लागणार आहे. Now the next, here we have the 1 upon y into dy by dx, and hence dy by dx is equals to y in bracket x raised to 2x upon x plus log of x into ddx of x raised to 2x. Okay, now we'll find out the derivative of x raised to 2x separately again. इथे पुन्हा y ची आपण व्हॅल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट केली. what is y, x raised to 2x. आता हे आपल्याला फक्त फाइंड आउट करायचं. लेट u इज इक्वल्स टू x raised to 2x. पुन्हा यासाठी आपल्याला लॉग घ्यावा लागणार आहे का, इट इज अगेन दी फंक्शन raised to function, that is f of x, this whole bracket raised to g of x. तो g of x इथे किती आहे, तो 2x आहे, आणि f of x किती, x आहे. Take log on both sides, then you will get log of u is equals to log of x raised to 2x. पुन्हा हा 2x इथे पुढे आला, that is a 2x into log x. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, then you will get, what is the derivative of log of u is 1 upon u into du by dx is equals to, आता 2 इथे कसा आहे, तर कॉन्स्टंट आहे, that is a 2 into ddx of x into log x. Okay, keep this x as it is, ddx of log x plus log of x as it is into ddx of x. Okay, derivative of log of x is 1 upon x, x into 1 upon x plus log of x, derivative of x is 1. x या ठिकाणी काय झालं, तर कट झालं. ओके, yeah, that is 2 in bracket 1 plus log x, the bracket is completed. हा इथे 1 upon u into du by dx. ओके, पुन्हा u इकडे काय येणार, तर तो मल्टिप्लाइड येणार. ओके, and that is a du by dx is equals to 2u in bracket 1 plus log x. Substitute the value of u. What is u? X raised to 2x. And hence, ddx of x raised to 2x is equals to 2 into x raised to 2x in bracket 1 plus log x. Okay. Now, from 1, see this here, we'll substitute the derivative of x raised to 2x. आपण इथे substitute करणार. That is x raised to 2x in bracket x raised to 2x upon x plus log of x into the derivative of x raised to 2x. What is its derivative? 2 into x raised to 2x in bracket 1 plus log x. पुन्हा या होल ब्रॅकेट मध्ये आपल्याला काय कॉमन काढता येईल? x raised to 2x we can take the common. Therefore x raised to 2x into x raised to 2x. Okay, and next again log of x. Okay, log of x. इथे log of x आपण यातनं कॉमन काढू शकतो. If we take the log of x, then what about here? इथे x raised to 2x upon x. इथे log चा टर्म नाहीये. Therefore here we'll write that is a 1 upon x into log x. या प्रकारे. पुन्हा मी इथे one more steps इथे लिहिणार. What is here? x raised to 2x into in bracket. Okay. या टर्म जवळ log of x नाहीये. Therefore I will write here log of x upon log of x. Okay. Into here x raised to 2x upon x plus here log of x. Okay. Into 2 into x raised to 2x in bracket 1 plus log x, bracket complete, and then this whole bracket is completed. Now from this bracket we'll take x raised to 2x as a common. Then this is the log of x and log of x. इथून जर आपण या दोन टर्म्स जर कॉमन घेतल्या, then you will get x raised to 2x into x raised to 2x as a common. पुन्हा हा log of x कॉमन गेला. मग कोणकोणत्या टर्म्स राहणार इथे? The terms are here 2 into 1 plus log x, 2 into in bracket 1 plus log x, आणि यातलं कुठलं टर्म राहणार? That is 1 upon log of x into x. That is 1 upon x into log x, and this is our dy by dx. Okay, you can see this here. पुन्हा एकदा तुम्ही बघू शकता इथे. Now the next problem, y is equals to x raised to e raised to x. Okay, take log on both sides. Log of y is equals to x raised to e raised to x. Therefore it can be written as e raised to x into log x by using this rule. What is that rule? Log of m raised to n can be written as n times log of m या प्रकारे. Okay, तर तो n पुढे आलेला आहे e raised to x into log x. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Log of y किती? 1 upon y into dy by dx. That's equals to ddx of e raised to x into log x. e raised to x into log x ला इथे product rule आपण apply करणार. Keep e raised to x as it is. ddx of log of x is 1 upon x. e raised to x into 1 upon x plus log of x as it is. Derivative of e raised to x is a e raised to x. Okay. पुन्हा या दोघातनं e raised to x आपण कॉमन काढू शकतो नंतर. Okay. But before that, here we will write it once again. E raised to x upon x plus e raised to x into log of x. Okay. And that's equals to 1 upon y into dy by dx. And hence dy by dx is equals to y into in bracket e raised to x upon x plus e raised to x into log x. Again from this bracket we will take e raised to x as a common. That is a y into in bracket y into e raised to x. Okay, in bracket, what is you will get 1 upon x plus log x. Okay, next substitute the value of y. What is y? Y is a x raised to e raised to x, and this is the dy by dx. Now the next problem. Next problem is y is equals to e raised to x and raised to x. Therefore, again take the log on both sides. Then here you will get log of y is equals to log of e raised to x. Again, it can be written as x raised to x into log e. What is the log e? Log e is 1. And therefore, here you will get x raised to x. Log of y is equals to x raised to x. Now differentiate this with respect to x. What is the derivative of log of y? Is 1 upon y into dy by dx into ddx of x raised to x. Okay. पुन्हा आपण हे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड आउट करताना हा 1 अपॉन y तो इकडे गेल्यानंतर कसं झाला तर मल्टिप्लाइड होणार. देयरफॉर dy by dx इज इक्वल्स टू e raised to x into ddx of x raised to x. आता x raised to x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड आउट करण्यासाठी पुन्हा आपल्याला इथे लॉग घ्यावा लागणार आहे. log of u is equals to log of x raised to x, that is x into log x. Now differentiate this again with respect to x. The derivative of log of u is 1 upon u into du by dx, that is equals to ddx of x into log x. Okay, you keep first x as it is. Derivative of log of x is ddx of log of x plus log of x as it is, derivative of x. Okay, log of x derivative 1 upon x, x into 1 upon x plus log of x as it is, derivative of x is 1. Okay, हा इथे x काय होणार तर कट होणार. Then you will get 1 plus log x. Okay, 1 plus log x. This is equals to, therefore 1 upon u into du by dx, that is equals to 1 plus log x, and therefore du by dx is equals to u into in bracket 1 plus log x. Okay, and hence ddx of x raised to x is equals to x raised to x. Substitute the value of u, x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x. Now substitute this value of derivative of x raised to x in equation 1. Then here you will get dy by dx is equals to e raised to x into x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे एकदा बघू शकता. Now the question number 2. Question number 2, find dy by dx. First, y is equals to in bracket 1 plus 1 upon x bracket raised to x. Now let y is equals to, take log on both sides. Therefore log of y is equals to log of in bracket 1 plus 1 upon x bracket raised to x, and using the rules of the log, that is x into log of in bracket 1 plus 1 upon x. हा आपण ते logचा पॉवरचा इथे रूल वापरलेला आहे. What is that? Log of m raised to n is equals to n times, it is a log of m. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Derivative of log of y is 1 upon y into dy by dx. ddx of x into log of in bracket 1 plus log x. Here we will apply the product rule. म्हणजे x into ddx of log of in bracket 1 plus 1 upon x plus log of in bracket 1 plus 1 upon x into ddx of this x. Derivative of this x is 1, and the derivative of log of in bracket 1 plus 1 upon x is 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon x into ddx of 1 plus 1 upon x. Okay. पुन्हा हे सिम्प्लिफाय करणार आपण. या x ने 1 ला मल्टिप्लाइड करणार. Then you will get x plus 1 upon x, and तो multiplied and reciprocal होऊन वर जाणार. Then here you will get x upon x plus 1, and this is the x again. Next, ddx of 1 plus 1 upon x. Derivative of 1 is 0. 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. Okay. And next in bracket, that is a log of 1 plus 1 upon x. Derivative of x is 1 into 1 means is a log of in bracket 1 plus 1 upon x. Okay. Next, x into x square upon x plus 1 into in bracket minus 1 upon x square. आता हा x square काय होणार तर कट होणार. इथे किती राहणार तर -1. -1 upon x plus 1, and again here log of in bracket 1 plus 1 upon x. Okay. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to y into in bracket minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus log of in bracket 1 plus 1 upon x. Okay. And hence dy by dx is equals to in bracket substitute the value of y, that is 1 plus 1 upon x bracket is 2x in square bracket हे टर्म आपण आधी लिहिणार log of in bracket 1 plus 1 upon x and minus 1 upon 1 plus x. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे एकदा बघू शकताय. Now the next example, y is equals to in bracket 2x plus 5 bracket is 2x. Take log on both sides. Log of y is equals to log of in bracket 2x plus 5 bracket is 2x can be written as x into log of 2x plus 5. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Derivative of log of y is 1 upon y into dy by dx and ddx of x into log of 2x plus 5. इथे product rule apply करना, keep x as it is, ddx of log of 2x plus 5 plus log of 2x plus 5 as it is, derivative of x is 1. Okay. Next, derivative of log of 2x plus 5 is 1 upon 2x plus 5 into ddx of 2x plus 5. The derivative of 2x, x चा derivative किती येणार तर 1, 5 चा derivative 0. That is a 2 into 1 plus 0 plus log of in bracket 2x plus 5. 2 into 1, then you will get 2. 2 into x, that is 2x. Okay. Therefore, 2x upon 2x plus 5 plus log of 2x plus 5. And hence, dy by dx is equals to y into in bracket 2x upon 2x plus 5 plus log of 2x plus 5. Okay. Substitute the value of y, which is 2x plus 5 bracket is 2x. And hence, we have the dy by dx, and that's equals to 2x plus 5 bracket is 2x in bracket log of 2x plus 5 plus 2x upon 2x plus 5. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही ते बघू शकताय. Okay. Now the next problem, y is equals to cubic root of 3x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 5 minus x bracket square. Take log on both sides. Cubic root आहे म्हणून हा bracket is to किती झाला 1 by 3. That is the log of in square bracket 3x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 5 minus 2x brackets 5 minus x bracket square whole bracket is to 1 by 3. पुन्हा हा 1 by 3 पुढे आला. 1 by 3 log of 3x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 5 minus x bracket square. आता log घेणार 1 by 3. इथे log of m upon log of n into n. ओके, या प्रकारे म्हणजे किती होणार log of 3x minus 1. ओके, आणि हे कसं येते ते here we will apply the rule like this. Okay, log of 3x minus 1 minus log of the product of these two. Okay, 2x plus 3 bracket complete into 5 minus x bracket square. ओके, याचा जेव्हा लॉग घेतला जाईल तर दोघांमध्ये ऍडिशन साइन असेल. ब्रॅकेट जर ओपन केला तर दोघांना इथे मायनस साइन मिळेल. and hence 1 by 3 log of 3x minus 1 minus 1 by 3 या 1 by 3 ने सगळ्यांना मल्टिप्लाय करणार 1 by 3 log of 2x plus 3 minus again bracket is to 2 आहे तो 2 पुढे आला आणि पुन्हा हा 1 by 3 overall it will become 2 by 3 log of 5 minus x. Okay, next differentiate this with respect to x. हे काय आलं तर ते log of y. Derivative of log of y is 1 upon y into dy by dx. ddx of 1 by 3 ddx of log of 3x minus 1 minus 1 by 3 ddx of log of 2x plus 3 minus 2 by 3 ddx of log of 5 minus x. Okay, now the derivative of log of 3x minus 1 is 1 upon 3x minus 1 into ddx of 3x minus 1 minus 1 by 3 ddx of log of 2x plus 3 is 1 upon 2x plus 3 into ddx of 2x plus 3 minus 2 by 3 ddx of log of 5 minus x is 1 upon 5 minus x into ddx of 5 minus x. Okay, derivative of 3x minus 1 3x चा derivative किती आला तर 1 3 into 1 किती आला तर 3 1 चा derivative 0. Okay, therefore here 1 by 3 into 1 upon 3x minus 1 हा इथे आलेला आहे. derivative of x is 1 3 into 1 minus 0 पुन्हा हा 1 by 3 into 1 upon 2x plus 3 ते multiplication केलं. derivative of 2x x चा 1 आला 2 into 1. Okay, derivative of 3 is 0. And what about the last? Here is a minus 2 by 3 into 1 upon 5 minus x. Okay, derivative of 5 is 0, x is a here 1. Okay, overall it is a minus 1. Therefore here again 1 into 3 okay, therefore 1 upon 3 in bracket 3x minus 1 minus 2 into 1 that is a 2 upon 3 in bracket 2x plus 3 minus last is a this minus and minus that will become next plus. Okay, that is a 2 upon 3 in bracket 5 minus x in this way. Okay, overall therefore this is the 1 upon y into dy by dx. Okay, this is the 1 upon y into dy by dx. Okay, 1 upon y into dy by dx. Therefore dy by dx is equals to y into this whole bracket, that is a 3 upon 3 in bracket 3x minus 1 minus here the 2 upon minus 2 upon 3 in bracket 2x plus 3, and lastly this minus and minus that will become plus 2 upon 3 in bracket 5 minus x. Okay, now the next we will take the 1 by 3 common. इथे 1 by 3 है, 1 by 3 है, 1 by 3. Take 1 by 3 as a common. Then in bracket you will get 3 upon 3x minus 1 minus 2 upon 2x plus 3 plus 2 upon 5 minus x. या प्रकारे. Now next substitute the value of y. What is y? Y is a cubic root of 3x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 5 minus x bracket square into this term is a as it is, that is 1 by 3, and in square bracket 3 upon 3x minus 1 minus 2 upon 2x plus 3 plus 2 upon 5 minus x in this way. Okay, पुन्हा तुम्ही ते बघू शकता. Okay, now the question number 3. Find dy by dx if y is equals to log of x bracket raised to x plus x raised to log x. Now here u is equals to log of x bracket raised to x, v is equals to x raised to log x, y is equals to u plus v. Therefore dy by dx is equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. या सेपरेट यांना कन्सिडरेशन करणार आपण u and v. दोघांसाठी लॉग घेणार, दोघांचं डिफरन्शिएशन सेपरेट करणार आणि मग ते शेवटी ऍड करणार. u is equals to log of x bracket raised to x, log of u is equals to log of log x bracket raised to x. Therefore it can be written as x into log of log x. Okay, now differentiating this with respect to x, log of u is equals to x into log of log x. What's the derivative of log of u? 1 upon u into du by dx, that's equals to ddx of x into log of log x. Okay. आता x into log of log x चा derivative. First keep x as it is, ddx of log x plus log of log x as it is, derivative of x. It is 1. Therefore, log of log x into 1. What about the derivative of log x? Is 1 upon log x. Again, the derivative of log x, which is the 1 upon x. म्हणून इथे काय? X into 1 upon log x. हे झालं इथे log of x चा derivative 1 upon x. Log of log x into 1 means what? Log of log x. Therefore, 1 upon u du by dx is equals to, okay, what you will get here, हा इथला x and x काय होणार? तर कट होणार. Then here you will get 1 upon log x plus log of log x in this way. And therefore, du by dx is equals to u into 1 upon log x plus log of log x. This is the du by dx. Okay, it's the expression number 1. Next, v is equals to x raised to log x. Take log on both sides. Log of v is equals to log of x raised to log x. It can be written as हा log कसा येणार तर पुढे येणार into log x. Log x into log x means what? Log of x bracket square. Therefore, you will get log of v is equals to log of x bracket square. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Log of v is a derivative 1 upon v into dv by dx is equals to ddx of log of x bracket square. आता log of x bracket square चा derivative, power चा derivative find out करणार 2 times log of x into ddx of log of x. What's the derivative of log of x? Is 1 upon x, and therefore you will get 2 log of x into 1 upon x. Therefore, 1 upon v into dv by dx is equals to 2 log of x upon x, and therefore dv by dx is equals to v into 2 in bracket log of x upon x. Substitute the value of v. v काय तर x raised to log x. This is the expression number 2. This is second one. Okay, 1 काय होता du by dx and हा 2. Now add these two. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. Substitute the value of du by dx from 1 and dv by dx from 2, and hence you will get the dy by dx. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही एकदा इथे बघू शकता. Okay. Next problem. Here again, y is equals to x raised to x plus a raised to x. पुन्हा इथे काय consideration करणार? What is that? U is equals to x raised to x. आणि v किती येणार? v is v नाही कन्सिडर आपण इथे केला तरी चालू शकतो, कारण की a raised to x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आपल्याला इथे मिळू शकतो. ओके. U is equals to x raised to x. Take log on both sides. Log of u is equals to log of x raised to x. Means what? X into log x तुम्हाला इथे मिळेल. Now differentiate this with respect to x both sides. Log of u चा derivative 1 upon u into du by dx. That's equals to ddx of x into log x. x into log x ला product rule apply करणार. x as it is, derivative of log of x is 1 upon x इथे आलेला आहे. Plus log of x as it is, derivative of x is 1. Therefore, you will get here x into derivative of log x is 1 upon x. म्हणजे x into 1 upon x. Log of x, derivative of x is 1. इथे x काय होणार तर कट होणार. Overall, you will get 1 here and here log of x. And therefore, 1 upon u into du by dx is equals to in bracket 1 plus log x. And therefore, du by dx is equals to u in bracket 1 plus log x. This is the expression number 1. Substitute the value of x. What is x? X raised to x. Okay. Next, y is equals to u plus a raised to x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to u's a derivative du by dx plus ddx of a raised to x. A raised to x a derivative simple. What is that? A raised to x into log a. And what is the derivative of u? Is x raised to x into in bracket 1 plus log x. And it is here. And hence, dy by dx is equals to x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x plus a raised to x into log a. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही एकदा इथे बघू शकता. Okay. Now the next problem. Y is equals to 10 raised to x raised to x plus 10 raised to x raised to 10 plus 10 raised to 10 raised to x. Okay. Now here again y is equals to here. We first substitute here u is equals to x raised to x. म्हणून ते expression कसं होणार? Y is equals to 10 raised to u plus 10 raised to x raised to 10 plus 10 raised to 10 raised to x. Okay. आता u is equals to x raised to x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आपण आता आधी काढणार. Okay. Now take log on both sides. Then here you will get log of u is equals to log of x raised to x. Okay. Now log of x raised to x can be again written as x into log x. Okay. Now differentiate this both sides, differentiating both sides with respect to x. What is the derivative of log of u? Is 1 upon u into du by dx. Log of u is the derivative 1 upon u into du by dx. ddx of x into log x. याला product rule apply करना. Okay. What is first? Keep x as it is. Derivative of log of x plus log of x. Derivative of x. Okay. ddx of x. Log of x चा derivative किती? तर 1 upon x. x into 1 upon x. Log plus log of x as it is. ddx of x is 1. Okay. हा x क्या ठिकाणी काय होणार? कट होणार. Then you will get here 1. And your 1 into log x means what? Log x. And therefore 1 upon u into du by dx is equals to 1 plus log x. And therefore du by dx is equals to u into in bracket 1 plus log x. Substitute the value of u. What is u? X raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x. This is your du by dx. Now next y is equals to 10 raised to u plus 10 raised to x raised to 10 plus 10 raised to 10 raised to x. dy by dx is equals to ddx of 10 raised to u, ddx of 10 raised to x raised to 10 plus ddx of 10 raised to 10 raised to x. Now the derivative of 10 raised to u is 10 raised to u into log of 10 into derivative of u, that is a du by dx. परंतु आपण du by dx इथे फाइंड आउट केलेला आहे. du by dx u means what? x raised to x. x raised to x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह किती आला? x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x. And therefore substitute the value of du by dx is x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x. And overall here you will get 10 raised to x raised to x into log of 10 into x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x. Next, ddx of 10 raised to x raised to 10. मग याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह a raised to x सारखा. a raised to x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह किती असतो? a raised to x. Okay. The derivative of a raised to x is a its a derivative is a raised to x into log of a into derivative of x is 1. Okay. Similarly here, the derivative of 10 raised to x raised to 10 is a 10 raised to x raised to 10 into log of 10 into, but here it is not the x. इथे x नाहीये, x raised to 10 आहे. इथे x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 असतो त्यामुळे आपण लिहित नाही. इथे x raised to 10 आहे म्हणून त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आपण इनटू करणार. And the derivative of x raised to 10 is 10 into x raised to 9. म्हणून ओव्हरऑल या सिमिलर कलर मध्ये मी इथे लिहिलेला आहे त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, that is a 10 raised to x raised to 10 into log of 10 into derivative of x raised to 10 is a 10 into x raised to 9. Now the last 10 raised to x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह पुन्हा याच फॉर्म मध्ये. The derivative of 10 raised to 10 raised to x is a 10 raised to 10 raised to x into log of 10 first. Again into the derivative of 10 raised to x. पुन्हा 10 raised to x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय? a raised to x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह सारखा. a raised to x into log of a means what? 10 raised to x into log of 10. Okay. And therefore we write here the ddx of 10 raised to x is a 10 raised to x into log of 10. 10 raised to 10 raised to x as it is. Log of 10 is here. Again the log of 10 into log of 10, that will become log of 10 bracket square. And hence the dy by dx is equals to 10 raised to x raised to x. Next is a x raised to x log of 10 into in bracket 1 plus log x. This is the first one. What about the second? Second is 10 raised to x raised to 10. Okay. Next is a 10 into x raised to 9. And last is log of 10. And what about the third one? 10 raised to 10 raised to x, next into 10 raised to x, and again log of 10 into log of 10, that is a log of 10 bracket square, and in this way we have the dy by dx. Okay, again you can see this here. पुन्हा तुम्ही ते बघू शकता एकदा. फक्त या ठिकाणी x raised to x आपण डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढलेला आहे. बाकी 10 raised to x raised to 10 and 10 raised to 10 raised to x याचे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह्स आपल्याला इझी मिळालेले. ओके, and in this way we have completed the exercise 3.3 आपण इथे कंप्लीट केलेला आहे. आणि पुन्हा मी असं सांगतो की जर तुम्ही आय बटन वरती जर क्लिक केले तर तुम्हाला या M1 चे यापूर्वीचे माझे सर्व व्हिडिओ बघायला मिळतील. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.